Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix sales strategies with Macy's beginner guide step by step clearly. To fix your sales strategies using identify key areas where sales are lagging. Look into customer feedback to understand their preferences and pain points. Conduct a competitive analysis to see what other retailers are doing effectively. Next, develop a customer persona based on your target audience. Include demographics, shopping habits, and preferences in your persona. Now, evaluate Macy's merchandising strategies as a case study. Study their product displays and inventory management techniques. Implement seasonal promotions similar to ones that Macy's uses to attract customers. Offer loyalty programs that incentivize repeat purchases. Focus on enhancing the in-store experience. Train staff to provide excellent customer service that encourages sales. Incorporate online tools to create an omni-channel shopping experience. Enhance your website and social media presence to reach a broader audience. Utilize data analytics to measure the performance of promotional campaigns. Adjust your strategies based on real-time sales data. Finally, regularly revisit and refine your sales strategies. Continuous improvement is key to sustaining growth and engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.